So I had to convert that, and then I had to do what's called merging. So we had our trade and quote, which is a public listing of trades and quotes. That was telling us buy, sell, at which price, which symbol. We also had a separate SAS file from NASDAQ that's not public that told us this event at this time was a high frequency trade doing this type of activity, non-high frequency trade doing this activity. So we wanted to use these two databases. We wanted to combine them so that we know that these events are this type of activity, like a high frequency trade versus a non-high frequency trade, a short sale or not a short sale. So it was a big challenge in that I had 300 gigabytes of proprietary data that I could only look at in SAS, which doesn't work with SharkNet's Unix systems. So I had to convert all of that from SAS into a interoperable format, and I use CSV because it's easy for anybody to access. And that was
the downsides of CSV.
Well, in my case, I had no other alternatives. I couldn't use a database on SharkNet.
But obviously privacy concerns, right?